and in today's video we will be doing a flat twist out, okay? Now before we jump into this video, make sure that y'all give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so that you don't miss a video when I upload. Alright you guys, so to do this twist out, I already washed my hair like I did a homemade hair mask. I separated my hair already, and for today I will be using this Dove leave-in conditioner. Yes, I actually love the smell of this. It's really, really good. Y'all should purchase this. And I will also be using my black castor oil as well. So, yeah. I hope that you guys are doing great today and having a blessed day. So, I don't usually do like middle parts, but let me try something different because I always just stick to doing my side part. That's just my staple. I have like a permanent side part. After I show you guys this side, it will be fast forward when I do the other side. So I already got it braided out. And depending on the size, like how you want it to be, you want it to be tight, you want it to be more fluffier, fuller, you know, you can do it small. I do it different sizes, but the front, I like to do it, you know, smaller in the front. So this top can come in. Okay. Apply my product. And I actually already put this in my hair, but you can always add more. But when I take it out, I add more to it. Curls are pretty today. So I just separate it. There's no right or wrong way. It does not matter if it's going to be sloppy looking, because the after results let's see it. Look. So far. Alright you guys, so I finished doing the twist in my hair, so I'm going to finish it off with like castor oil, because you know towards the ends they will get dry way faster, and I want it to all look neat, not just the top part. I need it all to look decent, so yeah. I'm gonna put some of this in this head. Be careful, because we ain't trying to unravel my twist here, especially the ends. Been a twist out in like so long. My hair has just been up in a bun since I had the baby. Look at that one unravel legit. So I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Because my hair is like really wet and it ain't gonna dry that fast. And I have things to do today. I'm not unraveling it. So I will be putting I'm walking around the house like this, but later tonight I will have this bonnet on my head, and it best to stay on. Alright, so I will see you guys next day, and I will unravel it for you guys and show you guys the final results. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. Yes. I just love doing the flat twist out because I feel like it comes out way better than the other one for me personally. I may try the other way to do the twist out, like, for you guys. If it comes out right, I'm gonna be shocked. Like, oh my god, it came out right. But I prefer this way because, yeah, it's just, you know. But this twist out came out good. See, like it. So I feel like I should keep my hair this length. Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Now, heads up, I do have a fun hair video that will be coming up pretty soon, probably next week or the following week, but it's coming soon to you guys. I decided to buy something from the store just to try it out, just to see like what it's really about, like, you know what I mean? Maybe I just spent the money for no reason, but we're gonna see, and I'm gonna show you guys the product when it's at that time. Okay, so before we go, make sure that you give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss a video whenever I upload. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.